Hi guys, we have a problem today from the Canon printer. It's showing waste toner is near full, replacement not yet needed. This is Canon Image Press C750. Even though I already emptied the waste toner tank from the machine, the message still appears. And today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. You can open the unit and you can see the waste toner tank here. And press the lever to slide out. If you can see, this is the WT401 unit name, the tank. If you can see, it's already empty. I already emptied the toner waste, but the full message still appears. From my experience, this is coming from the sensor problem. This is the sensor, the transparent glass there. So what you need to do is to make sure the sensor is clean. Sometimes it's still covered with the toner carbon, so it's still reading the tank is full. Here, this is I already emptied the toner carbon waste. You can do this maintenance every once a year, twice a year, depends on how often you're doing a printing job. But the most important thing is you're not only cleaning the tank, but also cleaning the sensors. We have Canon Image Press C750 here. Okay, this is our tank. Let's open the sensor to make a cleaning. See, there is one screw we need to open with the standard plus screw drive. And then after that you can use the cutter from upside to gently remove the sensor. As you can see, it's very dirty. All the surface is covered with the toner carbon. This clear plastic mechanism is needed to reflect the laser or infrared beam to the unit to report if the tank is full or empty. And for the sensor housing, we can use a tissue or wet tissue to clean the toner carbon. And the next step is we need to clean with the clear water, like this. So the sensor is made from the clear plastic, so make sure it is clean and clear and dry when you are using it. Okay, after the sensor is clean and dry, we can put back again to the place. Remember to insert from the bottom and then up like this. Make sure the position is firm, because there's a positioning notch there, the small plastic there. And then last step, we put our screw and tighten the screws. Okay, let's put back the tank into the unit. Slide the docking out and place like this. Slide until you hear the click. Close the door. And the printer is warming up. And then after the printer is warming up, we don't see any message anymore about the toner tank is full. The message is gone. See? And you can use the printer as usual and normal again. Okay guys, that's how you fix the problem from this Canon Image Press C750 problem with the toner tank. Just simply clean the sensor, and I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. Thank you very much. Terima kasih and bye-bye.